Hey, it's Belle from the Tig Realty team at Remax Fine Properties. I am here on Halloween afternoon at 1610 Stewart Road in Pecan Grove. Now, this house is a little unique. This area is a little unique in Pecan Grove. It's newer homes, and you're gonna love this one inside. It is adorable. So let me show you, as usual, my 3 favorite things. Okay, as you come in through the foyer, I love this game room. Could be an office, but what I love about it is where it's situated between the 2 guest bedrooms. There's a guest bedroom and guest bathroom there, and then here on the other side is one more. I've had this in a house before and it is fantastic. Number 2 for me is this kitchen. It is good sized, ample counter space, lots of storage. There's a coat closet and a pantry right there by the garage. It's got a really pretty backsplash, gas stove. Lots of room in here. Lots of room. And number 3, there's lots to love about this house, but I'm gonna have to pick this great room, but especially this fireplace. It's just so cozy and inviting, and also at the same time grand. Okay, so Belle coming at you on this Halloween on the back patio of this great house with no back neighbors. You know, like how I tossed that one in there. Come on out and see me. I'm here from 1 to 3 this afternoon. I'll bring the candy, you bring the great offer. See you soon.